मैं बुलाना चाहूँगा जो नेक्स्ट स्पीकर हमारी हैं आबरू वाजिद 6 सैम की, ये भी छात्रा है गवर्नमेंट डिग्री कॉलेज किश्तवाड़। प्लीज़ तालियों से भी इस बच्ची का आप स्वागत कीजिए।
निशान यही बाकी है ज़माने में जिंदा कौमों का, निशान यही बाकी है ज़माने में जिंदा कौमों का, कि सुबह शाम जिनकी बदलती हैं तकदीरें। Respected chief guest, guest of honor and all the audience present here. Good afternoon everyone. Today I stand here to speak about something incredibly powerful, something that shapes nation, sparks revolution and guarantees of our freedom: voting. Voting is one of the most important responsibilities of every citizen. It gives people the power to choose their leader and decide the future of the country. Dear friends, the slogan "Nothing like voting, vote for sure" reminds us how valuable our vote. It is an encourage everyone to take part in the electoral process. When we vote, we are not just ticking a box. We are not making a statement. We are not declaring that we believe in the democracy, in change and the power of collective decision making. Think about it. Every great movement in the history was propelled the people making their voices heard. From women fighting from suffrage to civil rights activists demanding equality, change began with the courage to participate. Voting is our chance to speak up, to ensure that we are not silent when it's matter most. Dear friends, in India, we are lucky as our democracy was born in the universal adult franchise. Universal adult franchise means that all the adults of the people who have attained the age of 18 have the right to vote to elect their representatives. It's commonly saying that the voice of the people is the voice of the God. You all know that all are in the mode. Our attachments to our family, our identities to our families and communities is so strong. If we are doing well, I don't care a damn what's happening in the country. We will go on this voting day, we will go on the picnic, not for the voting. My dear friends, many people take this right to granted. It's easy to dismiss one vote in the significant. Imagine if thousands of the people had stayed home thinking their vote did not count. Each votes matter. Voting is also an important hope. It's a declaration that we believe in the possibility of better tomorrow. When we vote, we say, I care about this issue that affect my community, my country and my world. Whether it's education, healthcare, climate change, our economic policies, voting gives us a voice in deciding our priorities. Mahatma Gandhi once said, be change that you wish to see in the world. That change start with to see in the world. That change start with us, and one of the simplest yet most profound way to exact that change is the voting. By not voting, you are not giving up your seat to the table. You are allowing others to decide you. As Plato wisely said, that one of the penalties for refusing to participate in the politics is that you end up believe govern in your inferior. So let's make a promise to ourselves and to our communities. Let's pledge to vote every time we have the opportunities. In conclusion, democracy concludes that with each of everyone for us. It's about voting, it's about power, it's about participating, and it's about the feeling like your voices also matter. So when we think the time comes, you don't sit back, stand tall, head to the polls and cast your vote. I vote for sure. नफरतों के नाम से हम तबस्सुम करते हैं, नफरतों के नाम से हम तबस्सुम करते हैं, मोहब्बतों के साथ हम तकल्लुम करते हैं। वो वतन से वफादारी का सबूत मांगते हैं, वो वतन से वफादारी का सबूत मांगते हैं। हम तो वतन की खाक से ही तयम्मुम करते हैं। थैंक यू।